Hey guys, today I want to show you how to access the Baltimore County Public Library so that you can access their ebooks and audiobooks. First, you'll want to get to the BCPS digital content page, which I have bookmarked. If you need the link, please send me a message through Schoology. And then you can click on the Baltimore County Public Library link. At this point, you'll click you want to log in under account up in the top right-hand corner. Click login now, and you can use your BCPS student account, which is a 9-digit code, which is in a separate document, or you can use your Baltimore County Public Library account. Once you're logged in, click Books and More and Digital Library. Scroll down and you can access the cloud library under eBooks and Audiobooks. To get to the teen fiction and nonfiction, click Browse. And then you can click Teen Fiction. And there's a list of different genres for you to choose from. You've got dystopian and fantasy, ghost stories, horror, and I'm going to choose mystery and detective stories. I'm going to slide on down here. You can click the arrow to see more. You can choose list view. You can also sort by the publishing date or by title, author, or recent editions. I'm going to take a look at this title here titled The Cousins by Karen McManus. This is the author of the New York Times bestseller, One of Us is Lying, which won the Black Eyed Susan Award last year. And if you click more, you'll get the summary of this book. If you scroll down further, you can see her other titles that she has published. Anything with a headset means that it's an audiobook. Without the headset icon means it's an ebook. Once you've decided this is the book that you want to borrow, you can just click borrow. You can listen to the book. If you're finished the book early, you can return it early, or else it lets you borrow it for 21 days. You can also take a look at the filters up at the top. If you want to just look at ebooks or audiobooks, you can select those. Or if you want to just look at what books are available now instead of placing a hold on the book. If a book is not available and you place a hold on it, you can place a hold by including your email address here under settings, and it will notify you when the book is available. Any books that you have checked out, you can go back under My Books and see the books that are checked out. And if you're finished one early, again, you can return the book early and let others borrow that book. The way to do searches is to actually use the search box up at the top right-hand corner. I'm going to type in Eleanor and Park, one of the other Black Eyed Susan winners that has been very popular. And here is the title. Again, you can borrow this at this point and you can begin listening to the book. It's pretty easy to use. If you have any questions, please send me a message through Schoology.